Welcome to Business News SA. Today we take a look at where you can find freelancers for your small business. If you're a business looking for a specific skill set, but don't have the capacity for a permanent commitment, or you only need that role to be filled briefly, hiring freelancers can serve as an effective solution. Finding a good freelancer can be tricky, as you need to ensure that they have the right skills, a good work ethic, and can sustain a healthy working relationship within your team. A wide range of platforms is available to assist businesses in finding the right freelancers. Whether you need a photographer, writer, social media manager, or any niche specialist, you're likely to find a suitable candidate. Here, we'll provide a list of platforms where you can find freelancers for your business. 1. Facebook Groups. Facebook Group Freelance South Africa has almost 70,000 members, consisting of freelancers looking for work and businesses offering opportunities. When seeking freelancers in Facebook groups, you have two main approaches. You can directly contact freelancers based on the information provided in their posts. Alternatively, you can create your own post detailing the specific type of freelancer you need, along with your contact information for interested individuals to apply. Since Facebook groups are not designed specifically for freelance work, it is crucial to establish verification processes for potential freelancers. Additionally, ensure that you protect yourself by understanding the legal side of business collaborations. 2. LinkedIn. LinkedIn can be a more reliable option than Facebook, as it is a professional networking platform. On LinkedIn, there are several ways to find freelancers. Firstly, you can publish a job post, which is the most tedious option but potentially the most rewarding, as you get to go through various qualifying candidates. Furthermore, LinkedIn Recruiter offers advanced search filters to pinpoint candidates based on specific keywords, skills, and experience levels, although this is a paid service. Engaging with relevant industry groups on LinkedIn can also be a valuable way to discover talented freelancers who are active in your field. Remember. 3. Upwork. Upwork operates on a bidding system where freelancers propose their services and rates for projects posted by businesses. If you're looking to have a long-term agreement with a freelancer, Upwork is the best place to do that. This is because it facilitates such arrangements through its platform features, including tools for communication, collaboration, secure payment processing with escrow for milestone-based or full project completion, and dispute resolution services. Businesses can review freelancer profiles, portfolios, client feedback, and hourly rates or fixed-price proposals to make informed hiring decisions. Reviewing profiles not only helps you determine if the freelancer is skilled for the project, but you can also look out for red flags in the candidates. Additionally, the platform offers various tools for communication and collaboration, which enhance the workflow between businesses and freelancers. Upwork also provides dispute resolution services if any issues arise during a project. 4. Fiverr. If you're looking for someone to work with on a short-term or one-off project, Fiverr is the best place to do that. With Fiverr, freelancers get to list their services, which on the platform are often referred to as gigs, and can set price points based on their expectations. Tasks on Fiverr are better when they are clearly defined and require a specific deliverable. Buyers can easily browse through a wide array of services, ranging from graphic design and writing to web development and digital marketing. The transparent pricing structure and the ability to see reviews for individual gigs help businesses make quick decisions for smaller projects. 5. We Work Remotely. Like many other remote freelance platforms, We Work Remotely lets you choose talent from a large pool of international candidates. We Work Remotely functions as a job board specifically for remote positions, including freelance roles. You can post your open freelance positions, detailing the required skills, experience, responsibilities, and compensation. Freelancers then browse these listings and apply directly to the roles that match their qualifications and interests. The platform primarily facilitates the connection between businesses and remote talent, leaving the negotiation of contracts, payment terms, and project management to be handled between the two parties. Unlike some platforms, We Work Remotely does not typically involve a bidding system or escrow services. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.